How to find video watch history on Facebook, updated and easy method. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more Facebook tips. If you want to see the videos you recently watched on Facebook, here is the fastest and easiest method. Method 1. Reels section, best and quick way. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now go to the Reels section from the Facebook home screen. At the top, tap on the search bar. When you tap on the search bar, you will see an option called Recently Watched or Watch History. Tap on Recently Watched. Here you can see all the videos and reels you watched recently on Facebook. Method 2. Activity Log, traditional method. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu 3 lines. Go to Settings and Privacy, Settings. Tap on Activity Log. Open your activity across Facebook. Select videos you've watched. Now you can view your complete video watch history. Important notes. The Reels method shows recently watched videos only. Activity Log shows a detailed history by date. You can remove videos from watch history if you want. Final summary, Reels, search bar, recently watched, or menu, settings, activity log, videos watched. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment "History found" below.